you doing? We got Spike in the house. We got another jet turbine. This time we're going to double down on the gas.
Yes.
Unboxing. Here is the last engine that we've done. This thing blew to pieces. There's flames hanging out of it. Alright, so we're nearly ready to go. But this time we want to try and attach the motor so that it sits actually contained on the unit. So to see if it actually makes any thrust and moves forward.
Yeah,
Alright. I'm quite scared this time because we're going to go for more flames. Alright, so I don't know, are we going to just go for fast and explode it, or are we going to feed it on slow?
I don't know, I'm going to start it up and try and keep it reasonable speed, and then once you get it going, we'll just go with whatever it's doing, I suppose. Right. I mean, I'm not going to give it any, I'm not going to nail it at all.
Right, you go to the gas first, right here. It's dead! Oh,
I keep going! Oh, open that door!
Oh my god!
Man, it's hot in here, man!
Oh my god!
I got so hot I had to move.
Hang on, I've not even looked at this yet. Where is it all?
It's all you.
What? Where is it? Where's Benjamin? Oh my god, what's going on in there? Oh my god, guys, that was...
Can we stop the fire alarm?
It kind of lasted longer than...
Longer? It didn't want to stop. I had it on max, Kev. It was maxed out. That was terrifying. It was utterly terrifying.
Well, the thing is, it started moving.
It started facing me, man.
It started facing me. I ran off.
I was sitting there. It started going like that.